Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal. Our today's guest is Mr. Ganesh Palande, who has given his contribution in the field of education by teaching the most difficult subject, that is mathematics. Today also, I get goosebumps the moment I think about my mathematics exam during my school days. But Sir has made it so easy for the students. He teaches simple tricks to solve difficult sums. That's how his students are shining in their life. Sir has got a very good sense of humor, and I'm pretty sure the viewers who are watching right now must have witnessed it. Also, I'm going to share about the staff room, a few lighter moments in Ganesh Sir's presence. Sir is a very good chess player. He still participates in competition and he always wins. Of course, he knows all the permutation and combination of each of the chess moves. That's how he wins. Mathematics always helps. We welcome Mr. Ganesh Palande on Experience on CAM.
Hello ma'am, I'm very oblique on this show and thank you for giving me this opportunity to share my experience with my students.
And that's how the students are going to learn from the veterans. Currently, Ganesh Sir is teaching in Poddar International School. He has nurtured and enriched hundreds of students with his ability of teaching. Let us move on to the question and answer session. The first question goes as, Sir, you need to share your unforgettable moment of your childhood days.
Okay. I was actually in army school and normally the teachers over there are very strict. So one of my physics teacher actually slapped me badly when I gave him the over smart answer.
So may we know the question and the answer as well?
Okay, I don't remember exactly, but the question was something that he taught us the sound, and after explaining all the concept, he explained me whether yours and mine waves are matching somewhere. So I told yes, even I can hear the what you say that when the two wavelengths match with each other, the sound is produced. So that I heard that also.
Okay.
So the whole class start laughing. He also start laughing. Even me also start laughing. Then he come to me and give me one tight slap.
So the students remember that before giving an over smart answer to the teachers, think about the repercussions. Sir, now I would like to know about an unforgettable moment as a teacher.
Actually, not a single moment such as, but yes, many times one student, the old students called us and they talked with us. They told about their achievements, or they met us somewhere in the shopping mall or somewhere else in the street. And yes, they told us about their achievement, and yes, they discussed about their old memories of school. That moments are priceless.
Priceless. That is the best thing of being a teacher. You get acknowledged after years together as well, when the students achieve their highest optimum level achievement. After that, you get the satisfaction. Moving on to a worrisome moment, sir. May I know about a worrisome moment?
As we know that nowadays both parents are working, so there is no one around the students or the children. So actually sometimes their behavior, their nature are a bit aggressive, and then it is very difficult for us as a teacher to handle them. So we need to understand their background from the earlier teachers who used to taught them earlier, and then yes, accordingly we can just take our measures.
Exactly, sir. This is a worrisome moment. Both the parents are working and there's no one to take care at home. There, the role of teacher becomes very important. The teacher becomes the second parent, and the teacher keeps on telling the students about maintaining discipline in life. Moving on to next question about the work-life balance of the teacher. Sir, how do you manage with work-life balance?
Of course, my family plays very vital role in maintaining balance in my professional life. As especially on this online platform, I mean, I'm very weak in this technical aspects, and yes, my wife helped me a lot in that particular field. And yes, overall, my daughters also helping me to do my work. Not of course professional, but yeah, other works. They used to give me the what snacks and all that when I'm taking the online lectures and all that. So yes, definitely.
And that's how the family plays the role, supporting the main person with each and everything, right from providing snacks to teaching the online process. From online process to online dabba, let's move on to the other question. Sir, I have always seen a Samsta's lunch in your lunch box. Who packs your tiffin box? Because I know your wife is also working in an MNC, so even she would be busy.
No, but then only she managed to do that. Yes, because I mean, we used to left our house for school early in the morning, and that time maid normally we don't have that time. So yes, she used to. She is hardworking. She managed both the things, family and her office. Both she balanced very well.
So, sir is having a strong support of his wife to maintain the work life balance. I'm sure you must be missing the offline school, the fun we had in the staff room, right, sir?
Yes, indeed, ma'am. Staff room is really a special place for any teacher where they enjoy a lot. Yes, they share their thought. Yes, a lot of fun is there.
Oh, yes, offline school is fun. There are students chirping in the corridor. Also, we have a lot of teachers in the staff room, and sharing tiffin with all the teachers is always fun. Right, sir?
Yes, ma'am, indeed.
Yes, of course. Teachers' life is full of tasks, and I know teachers are very busy when they have to prepare worksheets, result sheets, and question papers. Sir, one question I would like to know, that who prepares a steaming hot cup of coffee when you are working late night at home preparing the result sheets?
Okay, Mansi, my wife only. And but yes, now this coffee is replaced by lemon tea.
How come, sir?
Health concerns.
Okay, so a teacher has to take care of her health as well. So moving from coffee to lemon tea, moving towards a healthy life. Ganesh sir, your students are watching this show. What message would you like to give them?
Okay, I observed many students throughout my journey of 2 decades, and yes, I can tell you one thing confidently, that the talent is not only a criteria to be a succeed in life. Yes, students, you should have a temperament. Temperament, without temperament, it is really difficult task. And yes, so students, keep doing hard work, believe in your strength, and most important, be a change.
Okay. Hard work is the key to success. That's what Ganesh sir wants to tell. Students, you need to work hard to shine in your life. Moving on to the special day of teachers, Teachers' Day. I would like to ask sir, how do you feel on the Teachers' Day?
Yes, of course. I mean, that day all teachers must be excited. Yes, because yes, their students wish them, they greet them, they told many things about them. Of course, good and also bad.
Exactly.
So, but yes, that day is special day for any teacher.
When Ganesh sir is here, we must hear to the inspiring stories of his. Let us ask him about his journey in the field of teaching.
Yes, actually, I started teaching in an early age. When I was in first year BSc in Modern College, then where I started teaching. And the great, or I don't know what I to say. But the great thing is what I was teaching to 12th standard, just I mean 1 year younger than me.
Oh.
And the second surprising thing is that owner, that class owner, even the student, nobody realized that I'm a student, as my physics was good. So they don't realize that I'm a student. That was my first job. Of course, I worked there as a part-timer. Then I complete my education from Modern College, and then I joined some professional institute. Yes, after that, actually, see, this teaching is, I mean, I'm not by choice in teaching, but yes, when I start teaching, I realize that students appreciate my teaching, and then yes, I take the interest in it. But actually, after completing education, my aim was to, I mean, I was preparing for MPSC. Then so some incident happened in my life which closed all the, I mean, yeah, it's closed everything, all the civil services for me. Then I just again stick to the teaching profession. Then I run my own coaching classes as well, and after some time then I realized that yes, I should have some more stability. So then I completed my B.Ed and I joined some junior colleges in Airoli. Then thereafter again I joined some CBSE schools, and yes, I work in some reputed CBSE school in Airoli. And after that, I now recently 1.5 years ago I joined Boda International School. So that is a short story of my 20 years experience.
Really an inspiring story. The barriers of life do not stop you from growing. That's what Sir's story says. And also, at a very young age, he became a teacher and he was teaching the students 1 year younger to them. That's the magic of being a fantastic teacher, that no one realized that he is too young. Who is your favorite student?
Yes, there are many students, but Isha Gupta is, yes, my favorite student, as I really impressed with her dedication to her work, then her active participation in various fields. And yes, most I like that she is always down to earth. All these are qualities which makes her special compared to others.
Okay. The hardworking students always remain in teacher's mind. It's time for a short break.
Hey guys! Unlike the insecurities that you face on various social media, Social Chat is one of the safest social media applications. The best part is that you can earn e-commerce coupons in exchange for your activity on Social Chat. Scan the QR code or download the app directly from Play Store. Now back to the video.
It's time to read some letters which Sir's students have written. Dear Ganesh Sir, if I had not had you as my teacher, my life would be incredibly different. I'm not saying it would be bad, but you opened my eyes to what I could be, what I could do, in a way that I have never thought possible. You took a kid from scratch and made him want to see the world and beyond. I still remember one lesson where you told us about your hopes for your future when you were of my age. I think you were meant to be talking about academics, but it changed and kind of became a life study. You told us about your regrets and your success, and for some reason, it all resonated with me. You have changed my whole aspect on learning. I wouldn't be where I am today without you. Your encouragement and persistence in my junior years has taught me that I am who I am. And to get to the top, it's all down to me. I'm capable, but it will take hard work and lot of dedication. Thank you so much, sir, for everything you have done for me. Yours, Jayesh. Dear teacher, when I first started taking your lessons, I was scared of you and sometimes dreaded the next class. Nothing seemed good enough, and you refused to accept my assignments if they weren't done to the best of my ability, which drove me crazy. Even though I gave you a hard time and earned a few detentions, you kept encouraging me to work harder and kept telling me I could achieve more. After weeks of being told off and kept after the classes, It seemed easier to just do the work the best I could, and it paid off. You taught me how much I am capable of and what I could achieve if I was willing to put the effort in. This is a lesson I am using in so many areas of my life now, and it is helping me to achieve all sorts of targets I never thought were within my reach. Thank you for making me do my best and for never giving up. This is an anonymous letter.
Thank you, dear students, for special letters. Thank you very much.
Thank you, students, for writing the letters on experience on camp. May we have Isha Gupta, sir's favorite student.
Wow.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, sir.
Really great to see you after a long time.
Great to see you, sir.
Aren't you excited?
I'm very excited.
Sir has taught you mathematics, right, Isha?
Yes, ma'am.
So, what do you feel about your teacher?
So, some teachers go above and beyond inspiring their students. And Ganesh sir is one of those teachers I've met in life who has always ignited in me confidence and who believes that to create an environment of learning and working hard. And because of him, I'm very disciplined in my life. Thank you so much, sir.
A pleasure.
That's nice to hear, Isha. And also, I think teacher changes the perception of the student. Has it happened with you?
Yes, indeed. Actually, a world of numbers is something which is very fun and exciting, and this was only possible because of Sir. He made me solve n number of papers, and he made me realize what silly mistakes we do in solving various problems. So I think because of that, working continuously and not to give up is what he always believes, and he made me do it. So I think this is something I'll keep on in my remember in my life, and always achieve good things because of him.
Nice to hear. And also, I have heard that Ganesh sir motivates the students a lot. What is your thought on this?
So he gives a very good motivating speech.
Nice.
So he always encouraged people and his students that you never should never give up. You should always try harder and look what you have always done in your previous mistakes, so that you don't repeat them. You don't give up. That's the main goal of his idea.
Learn from mistakes.
Learn from mistakes.
That's the good sign or the best sign of being a better teacher, right, sir?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
When sir's favorite student is here, let's have some fun games.
Yeah, sure.
Yes.
Not bad.
Sir, your student is moving ahead. I need to tell Mansi to give you training, right, sir? Good going, Isha.
Oh my god.
20 seconds more. Last 5 seconds. And up. Fantastic, Isha. Good job.
Good job, good job.
It's time to play a game. You need to identify the singer, sir. We are going to play an audio clip here and you will be identifying the singer.
Okay.
May we have the audio clip, please?
Come on.
Oh,
Fantastic! Before listening to the entire song, sir could identify. Must be his favorite.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Vishnu Kumar is my favorite.
it was a pleasure meeting my favorite teacher after such a long time. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Isha, for being here. And I'm pretty sure the stories narrated by Sir is going to inspire all the students. Thank you so much, sir, for
My
being
pleasure.
here. May we have gift, please?
Oh,
This is a small token of love
Thank you
from
very much,
experience
ma'am.
on camp.
Ma'am, sir, can we have a moment, please?
Wow.
Yeah, sure.
ये मैं हूँ, ये मेरे फेवरेट टीचर्स हैं और यहाँ पार्टी हो रही है.
Yo.